Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Y13 and your phone so the app can communicate. This saves wasted retries. First, charge the watch to at least 50% and turn on Bluetooth on both devices. Then, install the official Facebook companion or supported watch app on your paired phone and sign into Facebook there. You must grant notification and background permissions. Once done, make sure phone and watch are paired and that the Facebook app can send notifications. Those notifications drive the watch interface. You now install and sync Facebook to the Y13. This is the meat of the setup. Open the phone's watch management app, locate the compatible Facebook companion or module, and tap Install to the Y13. When prompted, accept notification access, contacts, and media permissions. These allow messages, avatars, and images to appear. Once installed, open the watch Facebook interface, test notification delivery with a direct message, and enable quick replies and voice input so you can respond without your phone. Make sure sync completes before you finish by using core features and knowing one key fix. On the Y13, open Facebook notifications, swipe to read posts or messages, and tap reply to use quick replies or voice dictation. This keeps interactions fast and hands-free. To view media, use the compact image viewer. To conserve battery, limit background sync. If something fails, restart both devices, reinstall the Watch Companion app, and recheck notification and Bluetooth permissions. This one troubleshooting tip clears most connectivity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.